Welcome to MEDx channel. Today we are going to talk about the major differences between meiosis and mitosis. In the realm of cell division, two primary processes stand out: mitosis and meiosis. Understanding these processes is essential for grasping fundamental biological principles. Mitosis is a process that allows a single cell to divide and produce two identical daughter cells, maintaining the same chromosome number as the original cell. This method of division is crucial for growth, tissue repair, and asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. Meiosis, on the other hand, is a specialized form of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, resulting in the formation of 4 genetically diverse haploid cells. This process is fundamental in the production of gametes, sperm and eggs, facilitating sexual reproduction. During meiosis, genetic material is shuffled through processes such as crossing over, where homologous chromosomes exchange segments, promoting genetic variation within populations. The phases of mitosis include Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, and Telophase. During Prophase, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, and the nuclear envelope begins to disintegrate. In Metaphase, the chromosomes align along the cell's equatorial plane, with spindle fibers attached to their centromeres. During Anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart and move towards opposite poles of the cell, while Telophase involves the reformation of the nuclear envelope around each set of chromosomes, concluding the mitotic process. Meiosis consists of 2 sequential divisions, meiosis I and meiosis II, each with similar phases: Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, and Telophase. In meiosis I, homologous chromosomes pair up and undergo crossing over, enhancing genetic diversity. Following this, the homologous chromosomes are separated, resulting in 2 haploid cells. Meiosis II resembles mitosis in that it separates sister chromatids. However, it occurs in each of the 2 haploid cells formed in meiosis I. Ultimately, 4 genetically unique haploid gametes emerge from the meiotic process. While both mitosis and meiosis share similarities, their outcomes serve distinct purposes in the life cycle of organisms. Mitosis produces identical cells for growth and repair, while meiosis maintains genetic diversity through sexual reproduction. This difference in function is vital for evolutionary processes, as it contributes to the variability within a species, allowing for adaptation and survival in changing environments. In summary, mitosis and meiosis are 2 critical processes in biology. Understanding how they function enhances our comprehension of genetics, reproduction, and the continuity of life. As you delve deeper into the study of cellular processes, the distinctions between these 2 forms of cell division will become increasingly significant. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.